A statue stands on a top of a 2 meters tall pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Okay. So, for this information drawing diagram, a 2 meters tall pedestal there. So, the pedestal may be in rectangle or square shape. So, it has 2 meters height. Next, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So, on that pedestal a statue there, its height we don't know. So, we feel height of the statue is h meters. Now, from that ground to top of the pedestal, top of the statue is observing with 60 degrees, that is angle of elevation. So, now here it will be observing with 60 degrees angle. Next, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the pedestal is 45 degrees. So, it is the top of the pedestal. Now, it will be observed with 45 degrees from the same point only. Now, it is observing with 45 degrees. So, now we have to find the height of the statue, that is nothing but h value. So, here to here, so A, B, C, D, E. Now, we want to find AB length, that is height of the statue. So, here BE length 2 meters, that means AE length total taken means that is nothing but 2 plus h meters. Okay. So, the given information first writing. Height of the pedestal, BE equal to CD equal to 2 meters. Next, let height of statue, AB equal to h meters. So, AE equal to AB plus BE, that equal to h plus 2 meters. Next, angles of elevation. Angle ADE equal to 60 degrees. Angle BDE, that equal to 45 degrees, that equal to 45 degrees. Now, here BDE one triangle, ADE one triangle. By using these two triangles, we will find the height of the statue. So, for that purpose, first I am taking a BED triangle. In triangle BED, so here we know angle D equal to 45 degrees. Now, this 45 degrees to opposite side BE length 2 meters we know. and next side what we want to take, here we observed means in ADE triangle and BDE triangle it has the same base DE, that purpose DE taking. Now that DE is 45 degrees to adjacent side, so opposite side by adjacent side, that is given by trigonometric ratio tan theta. So tan 45 degrees equal to BE by DE. Tan 45 equal to 1, that equal to BE equal to 2 by DE. So by cross multiplication DE equal to 2. So the pedestal base is 2 meters there. Now in triangle ADE, now observing in triangle ADE the base DE length 2 meters we know, and next the 60 degrees to AE length is opposite side, that height is h plus 2 meters we know. So that values substituting in triangle ADE, tan 60 equal to opposite side AE by adjacent side DE, AE by DE, tan 60 equal to root 3, AE value is 2 plus h by DE value, here we find 2. By that cross multiplication 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 equal to 2 plus h. Now plus 2 transfer to this side minus 2. So h equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. Now in this both 2 is the common number. So that 2 taking common, 2 into root 3 minus 2 1 is 2. Okay. Now root 3 value we know, that is 1.732 minus 1, 1.732 minus 1 equal to 0.732. So that equal to 2 2s 4, 2 4s 2 3s 6, 2 7s 14. So h equal to 1.464. So h is nothing but height of the statue. So height of the statue (1.464 meters). Okay. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Okay. So here on the same base a building and a cell tower both are present. So on the same base a building, a cell tower both were presented. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees, that is from a top of a building. So now if we join this point from the top of the building to top of the cell tower with angle of elevation 60 degrees there. Next, the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. From here to foot of the tower observing with 45 degrees. So already we said both are parallel lines. So here alternate angle it is. So alternate angles are equal. So it is also 45 degrees. So A, B, C, D, E painstaking. Now if the height of the building will be taking as x meters and this part is h meters filling, then height of the total cell tower is x plus h meters. And from the base of the building to base of the tower distance is 7 meters given. Okay, so now by using this information solving the problem. So first given information writing, that is distance between the building from the tower DE equal to BC equal to 7 meters. Here it is also 7 meters only. Next, let BE equal to CD equal to x meters, AB equal to h meters, then AE equal to AB plus BE, that equal to h plus x meters. Next, angle of elevation angle ACB equal to 60 degrees. Angle of depression angle BCE. So depression is nothing but angle CED. Angle CED equal to 45 degrees. So for finding this one, if we know the x value, then easily we will find x plus h value. So in triangle CDE taking, triangle CDE 45 degrees known, and here the DE is 45 degrees to adjacent side and that CD is opposite side. So adjacent side, opposite side means we can use tan theta. So in triangle CDE, if we apply trigonometric ratio tan 45 degrees equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So CD by DE. So tan 45 equal to 1, CD value x, DE value 7. So by cross multiplication x equal to 7. So x is nothing but building. So the building height (7 meters). Now by using this information we find the height of the cell tower. So here ABC triangle we know angle C equal to 60 degrees. So this 60 degrees to AB opposite side and adjacent side BC length 7 meters we know. So that will be substituting purpose we have to take trigonometric ratio tan. So tan 60 equal to AB opposite side by adjacent side BC. Okay, so tan 60 equal to root 3. So root 3 equal to AB equal to H by BC value 7. So H equal to, by that cross multiplication, 7 root 3 meters. Now that H is the value for AB, not for the height of the cell tower. Height of the cell tower means that is the addition of x and h. So x value is 7 meters, h value is 7 root 3 meters. By adding of both numbers, then we get height of the cell tower. So height of the cell tower AE equal to x plus h, x equal to 7 plus 7 root 3. So in this both 7 is the common number. So that 7 common taken means here 1 plus root 3 meters. So it is the height of the cell tower, 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. A wire of length 18 meters had been tied with the electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? Now we drawing the diagram for that given information. A electric pole is there. That electric pole is from the base, and from the base to the wire is 18 meters had been tied to the electric pole. So it will be tied and it has 18 meters length, and from the base to top of the electric pole is angle of elevation 30 meters there. It is 30 meters. Next, here because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of 60 degrees elevation. So it is 18 meters more length purpose, some length was cut and now it will be tied. Then it has angle of elevation 60 degrees. Now we feel the cut length is x, then it is 18 minus x meters. Now how much length of the wire was cut? So the cutting length x we want to find. Okay, so A, B, C, D. The given information we writing length of the wire AD equal to 18 meters. Next, so cutting wire length may be x meters, then AC equal to 18 minus x meters, 18 minus x meters. Next, angles of elevation angle ACB equal to 60 degrees, angle ADB equal to 30 degrees. Now if we observe in ABD triangle, 30 degrees angle D there, 30 degrees to AD value we know, that is 18 meters, it is hypotenuse, and AB is a common side for ABC and ABD triangle side, so that AB is opposite side. So we can apply sin theta in triangle ABD. Sin 30 degrees equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse AD. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and AB value we don't know. AD value is 18 meters. By that cross multiplication AB equal to 18 by 2. So 2 ones 2 nines, that is nothing but 9. So AB is the electrical pole height. So height of electric pole. AB equal to 9 meters. Now by using this AB length, now after cutting, what is the length of wire we find it? So that will be taking from ABC triangle. In triangle ABC, we know 60 degrees. That 60 degrees to AB value we know, that is the opposite side, and the hypotenuse AC value 18 minus x we know. So now we apply sine. So sine 60 equal to opposite side AB by hypotenuse AC. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, that equal to AB value. AB already here we find, that is 9 by AC. AC is 18 minus x. So by that cross multiplication, root 3 into 18 minus x equal to 9 into 2. So by that multiplication, it is 18 root 3 minus root 3x equal to 9 2 ja 18. Now this plus 18 transfer to this side, minus 18 multiplication root 3 transfer to that side, plus minus root 3x transfer to that side, that is plus root 3x. So 18 root 3 minus 18 equal to root 3x. Now in this both we can take 18 as common. So 18 into root 3 minus 1 equal to root 3x. Now multiplication root 3 transfer to this side, that is division. So x equal to 18 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now 18 can be expressed as 6 3 ja. Now 3 can be expressed as root 3 into root 3. So 6 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. That is nothing but 6 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. So now this one multiplying with root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 minus root 3 into 1 equal to root 3. So this is the value for x. That means how much length of the wire was cut means 6 into 3 minus root 3 meters wire is cut. Okay. So therefore 6 into 3 minus root 3 meters wire was cut. Okay.